Hey friends, we are standing in front of a Pushkarni which was built in 16th century by Vijayanagar emperors. Here we can see this is done to store the rainwater. So all the rainwater which used to be collected from this area, they used to bring it through this stone channel. You can see this. They had a beautiful stone channel. You can see here how beautifully they have conveyed this water conveying system. And you can see here, see this is a channel. See, you can see how beautifully they have done, and this is brought here, and this water used to fall here, and they used to store the water during the rainy season so that they could use the water in the deep summers. It's such a beautifully done. If you see the steps there down, you can see that in the first bottom, this one we have got 5, this one. Second has got 7 steps structures. Then it is 9 step structures. So they followed this odd number system. You can see here how beautifully it is about 5, this one. And if you see the second line, these are about 7 steps. And if you see the third line, there are 9 steps. So very beautiful looking Pushkarni it is. Very smoothing. You'll love this if you visit this place. It's such a beautifully done. Though it is poorly maintained now, but still it has got its original charm. See this, how beautifully done, and the system, whole system. They had so much of knowledge about this rainwater harvesting then. Today actually we have forgotten the importance of the rainwater. What is the importance? Because of the advent of the borewells. But their whole population in those days was fed by rainwater, open wells, and they never had this shortage of waters.